Every morning I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and I wash my face. I don't feel energetic in the morning. I always feel very tired until I have my breakfast. I use my phone for 5 minutes and I check my messages. Then I eat breakfast while I watch the news. Right now I am drinking a cup of coffee because I need some energy to go to work. I take 20 minutes to go to work, so I am constantly looking at my watch because I don't want to be late. As I am having my breakfast, I can see a bird outside the window. It is flying around the trees and it is looking for food. It is jumping from one tree to another. I usually feed the wild birds in my garden in the winter. I like watching them like this while I eat my breakfast. We are eating our breakfast at the same time. There are 2 other little birds that are singing. I don't think that they are hungry because they are just sitting there happily. My cat also loves watching the birds. At the moment, he is looking out the window. He is trying to catch the birds through the window. He's using his little paw to catch them. It seems that the birds are more intelligent than my cat because they definitely understand that there is a window there that is protecting them from the cat. They aren't scared at all. Today I am eating a croissant with my cup of coffee. I don't usually have a croissant every day. I mostly have 2 slices of toast with jam or marmalade. Today is a special day because it is Friday, so I think that I deserve a treat. While I'm sitting here watching the birds and having my breakfast, I am thinking about my plans for this afternoon after work. I am meeting my friends at a restaurant to have a meal together. Now let's look at the theory. We use present simple for habits, routines, and general truths. For example, I drive to work every day. Dogs don't know how to talk. He doesn't understand English. He plays tennis on Fridays. We use present simple for habits, routines, and general truths. So that means that they will go with words like always, never, often, sometimes, on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, every day, usually, and rarely, because they are words that we use to talk about routines and habits. We use present continuous for actions happening right now or personal plans in the future. For example, I am driving at the moment. The dogs are barking a lot. He isn't studying English. He is having a party later. Tina is visiting her grandma this weekend. Because we use present continuous for actions happening right now or personal plans in the future, the words that it will go with are now, at the moment, right now, today, currently, this week, look, and listen. When you say look or listen, you're showing someone something that is happening right now. So it goes with present continuous. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.